walk past them before I get my camera out.
We're closer to Los Angeles than we are to Graham.
That's really weird. I didn't know scenery like this existed in Arizona. I feel like I'm driving through Colorado right now. There were mountains, but for some reason, since I got my camera out, they're all behind us.
They're next to us.
Oh, well, I just can't get them from over here. Well, the top of it's like in the cloud too. It's really pretty. But we're back on the road, day 3, and we are going to Hoover Dam in about 3 hours or so, maybe 2.5 because Tiffany's driving. And we're gonna probably go on a tour of it, and then we are going to Las Vegas. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, there's more mountains. Well, kinda. There's a big hole down there.
I don't know.
That's scary. Okay, we are at the Hoover Dam. We drove across a giant bridge and looped back over, and we actually drove across the dam. It was really cool because the parking's free on the Arizona side, but there are no spots, and we're getting a long way away. So we're going back across the Hoover Dam. So here we go.
Na 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 na.
Also, the landscape here is crazy. I've never seen anything like this before. It's mountains, but there's nothing on them.
Just giant rocks.
Alright, here we go, back across the dam.
There's Hoover Dam's vagina. Oh. I think it's Vicky.
Going again?
Yeah.
Okay. We are driving. Are we in the dam yet?
No.
No, we're about to be.
Stop cursing.
Very funny. I don't know when people say curse.
What else do you hate, Amy?
Putting a curse on you, it's cuss.
Cursing is witches.
I always say
There's a
curse
point.
words.
I think I said cuss words. I mean, I don't say them, but anyway.
I know you do.
Okay, now we are actually driving on Hoover Dam.
We're in Arizona. It's Arizona time.
There's a lot of people up here. I think those people are trying to go across the street.
Oh, go ahead.
Swagger.
You have Californians to stop for you.
Rude.
Liberal.
Haters.
Okay.
That guy's arms were
We
ridiculously
are
large.
Going back across the dam.
And we're about to, I think we're almost back in Nevada.
Did you get a shot of the bridge?
I don't know if I can.
Okay. Yep, here's the state line right here.
Boom, baby.
Now we're in Nevada. Nevada or Nevada?
Nevada. Only idiots say Nevada.
I say Nevada.
Here's Nevada time.
You said.
I know. So what time do they go by here, Nevada? I decided it. I'm pretty sure it's what I read.
Pacific.
Yeah.
Well, right now it's all the same anyway.
Where it says exhibits and stuff, it's the same time as. Look, there's palm trees.
What? Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Where?
Are those native?
You've got Nate. Oh, there's the bridge.
Yeah, we drove across that. I didn't look that high from up
Oh.
there. You couldn't see off the edge.
Oh, no, I'm not zooming. Your head's just big.
Oh, okay. You can stop that now. We finally parked the car, and they are not doing the tours right now. I'm not
Take a
really sure
picture
why,
now.
but we are walking across the dam. There's Lake Mead over there. It's the dam, and this is a giant bridge that we drove across earlier, and we're gonna walk up to later, I think. It's a long way down there. Yep. That is crazy.
Okay, we're gonna go to
All right, we're still in Nevada, but the state line is halfway across. We'll be back in Arizona. Look at the landscape around here. It's beautiful.
The water travels at 17 feet per second. or 12 miles per hour. When the water reaches the inlet of the turbine, its velocity is increased